Hi my friends, welcome back to Anita's diamond painting. Today I can show you my finish of the Randal Spangler. Cookies, books, diamonds and birds. And it is so pretty and shiny. I hope you can see it. It's not that easy because it's so big. It is 85.9 by 60 centimeters. But I have finished it. And now we are going to kit it down. So hope you are ready for that. And it is so pretty. I think every diamond painter should have this, because it's the draglings that are diamond painting. A bird from Richard Lawrence, and it is just so pretty. So now I am going to put this away, just so we can be here and kit it down. And putting it to the side. Hope it will be there. And I have my boxes here. So I think we need to go in here. So I am going to put this to the side, and I will start showing you what there is of trash drills and misplaced. That is not a lot. That is from the whole painting. So they will go in here with my other leftovers or trash drills. So we can use this one. And I have also from my diamond art clock calendar in here, because they don't have any DMC numbers. And I am using my butterfly trays, so maybe it is going to take a little bit longer to get them out of the trays, but that's okay. And this one was 155. I need to see how much you can see before I am sitting down. No, the other way. I think it will be fine there. So let us start with 155, and it is right here, and I have 3 different shading here. Not that one. Maybe, and not that one. It's not quite the same. No. We are taking a new bag, because I don't mix my shades, because I use them for my cross stitch conversion. So put this number on here, and now I have 4 different sheets of the same, but that's okay, because when I need them I can see which one is the closest match if I ran out of some. And now we have 300, and I should have them out in the tray before. First here. This one, there was a little bit more left than some of the others. Some of the colors, there was not many left. Is it this? I actually think it's a little more shiny. So we take a new bag. It doesn't matter for me. And this number and the tray back. It has been so fun to make this Spangler. And if you see there is still one in here, that's because it's the round. They have a pink background. And the next one is 301. So today my husband is back to work. Now his summer vacation is over. So now we're back to normal. And that's fine. This one also have a lot leftovers. So let us see if there is the right color in here. Maybe. Oh no, it's darker. This one is darker. No. No, no, no. I don't think they are matching. But like I said, it doesn't matter. We have 4 bags of 301, and we have 304. These are also 2 different. This and now I am excited to next month. We have the mystery. And I am doing the Chuck Pinson Winter. And today I am expecting a delivery from Diamond Art Club. So maybe they will come while I am doing this. I I think we need a bigger bag to 310. Because my earlier system was with small bags. So let us put them in here. And we are only putting one sticker on. I wasn't sure in the beginning, so I put all the stickers on from the one I have done. And then we have 311. Just a moment. Okay, I'm back. It was just the dog who is barking because there's another dog barking outside. I just thought it was my delivery, but no. Oh, it's close. Oh, I don't know. Line. Line, stop. She is just barking. And it is so annoying. 319. There's only one bag of that. They are more sparkle than this one. So if I need to put them all in new bags, I need to prepare some more. But we will see. Line. Sorry for the barking. Can you see? And then we are on to 333. There are a lot of difference on these two. But maybe it's just because they are doing some new drills that they are more sparkly than the other one. I think. Or are they the same? I'm not sure. Definitely not sure. And I actually should have used my other sticker for these. That must be another time. 3, 4, 1. So they are going under. So we need to flip and get the rest of them out. I have bought some new stickers to put on the one without any. So I need to put them on before I kit up next time, I think. I am just going to do it like this. Oh yes. Look at that difference. That was a huge difference in these two. This one, there was not many left. And it is 3, 5, 6. Underneath also. So let us flip it up. When they are going all over, they are not allowed to do that. So let us take 372 and put on here. And down they go. And let us find it here. It is called mustard. And the next one is 400. And we have a lot of them also. They are sticking here. Let me see, do I have my little... Where is it? There it is. Come on. They are going all over. I think we need to flip this one also. So we can get them off. So, and now I just need to pick them up from the table. But there was a lot of 400. But that's great because it's a color I need a lot for my conversions. So that's great. To get all of them in. here. One more there. And in a bag. I have just put all my ABs and fairy dust in the system. They were just put in bags and just put in. No system with cards or anything, so I have just done that before I start my film. My video. And we have 400 in there. And next is 402. And let us take that off here. We use it on the back. And we have this to go in here. Go to Mahogany. And next is 414. Is steel gray. Sorry for my arm, but I need to get to my trays, and they are in front of me. Come on, out, out, there you go. It has been quite easy to do them, even though they are mixed in symbols. I have quite easy learn where they were. So that's nice. And then we have 553. Those are purple. So if you have this piece, you will get excited when you are doing it, because it's so easy to do. So you can look forward to that. That was the word I was looking for. And 553 is over here. It's a violet. I don't know if I should put the box over to the other side. Maybe I am trying to do that. So maybe I have a little more space here. Let me see if you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. You know the box is there. But then I have a little more space with my arms. Let me just put the box out of your sight. It doesn't matter, I think, right now. It's more important you can see what I am doing here. 640. It was there. And the next one is 644. And there was not a lot of these left. As you can see. Not a whole lot left of these. And now we have 645. Oh no, they are going under. And in with that again. And we need a back. And 6, 4, 5. It is here. Not that many. And we have 6, 4, 8. A little more, but not a whole lot. I would have liked to have more leftovers. But it's because I'm using them. If I wasn't using them and just throw them away, there's plenty to throw out. I can't do that. Simply not. Don't. Not. No, no, no. And that was number 19. Then we have 677. I need to I visit my mother-in-law every Monday. So I need to go down to her also today and see if she wants to go out grocery shopping. 677 is there. And that was 680. I should have prepared these numbers bags. That would have been nice. But I don't thought there would be so much different. But there is, apparently. 718, plum, and we have 721, and not that many left that either. Orange spice, and we have 738, I am soon getting out of bags, I can see, but then we are going to have a break. And I will do some more. That was the first 24 colors. And we are going to the blue trays. And I just saw there was some under from the last one that I haven't got out. And they are round, so they go in the garbage. And lid on again, and a bag. Oh, 796. And we have these left. Royal blue. And next, 797. What's left of that one? Royal blue. And we have 801 brown color. And one is sticking to the back. This was also a popular color. Therefore, there was a little more left. Who was? And we have 803, another blue. Put that on. Oh, there was more in there. Quite a lot of that one left. Deep blue. And we have 814. 14. I was watching Lazy Retired Granny's diamond painting haul from Walmart, Hobby Lobby and Michael's before I start here. So I can watch the last after this. And now Molly is barking. But that was just a bark. So no delivery yet. I hope they are coming before I need to go to my mother-in-law. I couldn't change it to the or what it's called, the shops where you can get your parcels. Sometimes I change it to there if I know I'm not home all the day, so I can pick it up there instead. There are pickup shops, parcel shops. And 820 in there, and we have 823. To get my nails cut and shaped, but it can wait till I am finished here. Because now I need my nail to get the sticker off, so that is nice. This one doesn't have that much, only a few left. I was worried if I have enough of this color, because I don't know if there was more in another section than I was just doing, but it holds. You don't know if you need it in the next square or what. Oops. It wasn't going off that easy. But that's okay. 833 is here. And now I only have one bag left, and that is for a 44. Then I need to make some more bags with the cardstock inside, so they can stand up easier. And that is what was left of that one. 844 there. So there will be a little break. See you in a bit.